Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogging About Bottles. I am your sommelier Danielle, and today we are talking about decanters and the actions of decanting. We do decanting for many reasons, but two of the main reasons is to aerate young and tight wines to really show their true expressions, such as this 2015 Cabernet Sauvignon from Napa. It is still quite young in the bottle, and by aerating it, pouring it into a decanter will bring out its true expressions of the Cabernet grape and what that winemaker wants for you to enjoy in the bottle and in the glass. Another reason is actually for removal of sediment from older wines. I have a wine that I've been having rest here for a few days now so that I can make sure that all the sediment is on the bottom. And we decant the wine to make sure that the sediment, which is that grittiness that you can sometimes find in your glass at the bottom, and removing that from your experience of tasting the wine itself. Before pouring any wine into your decanter, you want to make sure that it is a neutral setting. So when you have a wine, if you're not using it on the daily, what you can do is take a little bit of distilled water. Don't want to take it from your faucet because of the chlorines and the chemicals, if you're in the city or from the well, that may adjust the flavors and aroma profiles of the wine itself. So, with magic, I have distilled water here. You can pour the wine into the decanter. This will help make sure that there's no dust, no residue from the previous wines, and so that you have a nice and neutral palate for this wine and showing its true expression. Just remove the water and you are set to go. Another way that you can actually set your decanter up for success is actually what you would pour for yourself to make sure that the wine is not flawed by pouring that actually into the decanter to set it. One important thing when you are decanting a bottle of wine is you don't want to shake it up. You don't want to move it too much because you want to make sure that that sediment still stays at the bottom of the bottle and doesn't go into the decanter. So, by making sure that you don't move the bottle too much while taking the cork out of the bottle, it'll make it easier to make sure that the sediment does not stay. You can see that there's already sediment on the cork itself, so that'll be another key when you're opening a bottle that you may see sediment being thrown. Now this is the part where you need to be a little bit patient and not rush the process, as what you want to do is slowly pour the wine to make sure that the sediment is staying at the bottom of the bottle. And that it is a clean pour into the decanter itself. So as you slowly pour the wine, you are watching the neck of the bottle right here to make sure that all the sediment is staying. So don't be afraid to stop if you see some. So I'm going to stop right there because I can see a lot of the sediment is actually sitting in the glass here, so I want to make sure that the glass is a clean taste. So to show you what the sediment looks like, it's all of that, and I made a mess. It is all the particles that are actually in the bottom right there for you. This is where you'll see all of the sediment of the wine. It is the tannins breaking down in the glass, which can leave a gritty flavor in your mouth. And the most beautiful part is now you have a clean and true expression of this lovely 2013 Cabernet Franc. Cheers. So the next time you're looking to open up a big, bold red, maybe think about decanting it, bringing that life into the glass. So guys, have a great one until I see you at the next vlog. Cheers.